No, I continued the joke because I was in an event on a Tuesday evening for Ducati, Spain, and the journalist started to ask me, but your mom is supporting more, Alex. Of course, we are joking. I mean, we are living an incredible moment. We are super happy. The family, my father and mom, they are, I mean, of course, they are supporting both of us, and even the family, the friends, they want the best for us. So we need to enjoy the moment because I think it's super difficult, nearly impossible to repeat or to be in a better moment, leading the championship first and second already on the seven or eight race of the championship.